Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are at day 32 of 100 days of cloud by Cloud Cloud. In the day 32 task, we are going to create a snapshot for an existing RDS instance. And after that, taking that snapshot of the existing RDS instance, we need to create a new RDS instance with the snapshot that we take it. So check the task clearly here. First, we have to take the snapshot of the RDS instance with the name of data center RDS. After that, we have to take the or we have to create the restore of the snapshot that we created, and the snapshot that we created, we need to create a new RDS instance with the instance type of db.t3 micro. So we have to wait until the state becomes available. So try to log in using the console URL, search for RDS, Aurora and RDS. Now click on databases. Now this was the RDS instance that was still in configuration. We need to wait until it becomes available. Then only we can take the snapshot. After the status becomes available, we can click on the actions and need to take the snapshot. So we have to wait until the status becomes available. Now the status becomes available. Click on actions and take snapshot. We have to provide the snapshot name, and that should be data center snapshot. Click on take snapshot. Again we have to wait until the status becomes available. If you want to check the status of the snapshot and it's still in creating, we need to wait until it becomes available. After the completion of the taking snapshot, we can restore the snapshot by clicking on the restore snapshot. Now the status of the snapshot was available, so click on actions. Again click on restore snapshot. In this process, we are actually creating a new RDS instance. Now provide the new RDS instance name, and that should be data center snapshot restore. And change the classes to burstable classes, and we have to choose the db.t3.micro, and again click on restore database. This will also take some time. After the status becomes available, we can check the task. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now the status of the snapshot restored successfully. You can see the status of the snapshot was available. Check the task. And see, we are successfully complete this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video.